Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm happy to share the latest and up and coming Louis Vuitton bag collection for today's episode, and you know what that means. I'm going to provide you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, prices, features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot for your reference. And then of course, for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check with your CAs and the website. So guys, what are you waiting for? I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at DAMIER2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so we are going to discuss the continuation of the men's fall winter 2025 collection. First, we have the DOP kit. Guys, this collection would be launching July 10, 2025. The DOP kit price is 1,670 USD. It is the monogram landscape with the monogram canvas, reverse monogram, and the DAMIER EBENE canvas that they're using, which I really love this combination and treatment. Next, we have the Keepall size 50. Price of this one is 4,100 USD. Just look how beautiful the three canvases are used on the bag. So we have, of course, the monogram canvas, reverse mono. We have the DAMIER EBENE. Of course, it would come with untreated cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather strap and bag tag. Next, we have Horizon 55. So maybe guys, if I'm going to purchase a Horizon 55, I think this would be it, because the design really is very fashion forward, very edgy, and very different from the classic monogram canvas. I really do love the treatment. So the price of this one is 4,500 USD. Next, we have the very beautiful shopper tote, and the size of this one is size MM. Price of this one is 4,150 USD. So this is the interior. So as you can see, it is like an on-the-go, but I feel this is a much better version. So it comes with detachable and adjustable leather strap, and it will come, of course, with the 3 monogram canvas pieces. Then we have the Trocadero wearable wallet. Guys, wearable wallet, this one is like a wallet on chain size. Price of this one is 2,170 USD. We have SKU here, monogram landscape design, which features monogram canvas, reverse mono, and the DAMIER EBENE with cowhide leather trims and detachable strap. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection, we have the very beautiful nail NM. For the price of this one, please stand by, but please screenshot the SKU for your reference. So this one is still from the fall winter 2025 collection. This is the monogram boro landscape. Guys, boro, I believe this is design style from Japan. So it features monogram denim with the DAMIER EBENE denim. Of course, it would come with cowhide leather trims. How gorgeous is this Keepall 50? So we could see the difference of the denim material that they have used. So one denim, it comes with the oversized Louis Vuitton monogram. Then the other denim, it would come with the regular monogram print, and then of course we have the lighter denim with the monogram details as well. How gorgeous is Keepall 50? Price at 5,300 USD. But of course I would be choosing this one because I want my bag for everyday use. So we have the Speedy 25. Price of this one is 4,100 USD. We have SKU here from the men's fall winter 2025 collection. So guys, if you have the funds, get this right away. So this is going to be an exclusive and would be a collector's piece. Next, we have the Phriendship quote unquote then book messenger bag. So this one price is 3,450 USD. We have SKU here, so this is the interior. Kind of reminds me of the old collection by Marc Jacobs from Louis Vuitton. So it features the Damier Ebene canvas with Pharrell and Migo print with detachable leather strap. Next, we have the Phriendship Amazon bag. Price of this one is 2,000 euro. We have SKU here from the men's fall winter 2025 collection. So this is the interior. I love the red interior. In contrast with the, of course, the May Ebene that looks like dark chocolate. Then of course it comes with the Phriendship print of LV. Then we have some SLGs if you want to get some SLGs in this collection. So we had the Phriendship pocket organizer. Price of this one is 505 USD. So the outer part, of course, would be the May Ebene canvas, and then it would come with the Pharrell and Migo print. But the interior is cowhide leather trims, launching July 10, 2025. Next, SLG. This one, guys, is very cute. We have the Phriendship slim card holder. Price of this one is 415 USD. We have SKU here. So this is the interior with the snap button closure. I love, of course, that it comes with the very vibrant red leather interior. So this is the front side with the Pharrell and Migo prints. So actually, guys, I'm not really sure of the Pharrell Migo print. I could do without that. I just love the Damier Ebene print in total, and actually I really do appreciate the red leather interior. So this is the multiple wallet price at 635. Just look at the detail of the red leather interior. How gorgeous, right? And of course the classic Damier Ebene print. So I could really go away with the Phriendship Pharrell and Migo print. What do you think? Kindly comment down below. Then of course we have the Brazil wallet. So for the price, please stand by. But we have SKU here N40780, the May Ebene canvas with the Pharrell and Migo print with the very gorgeous cowhide leather interior. And of course this Brazil wallet will be part that would be launching July 10th, 2025. Next, guys, we have the Speedy P9 size 40. For the price, please stand by. But we have SKU here from the men's fall winter 2025 collection. Monogram souvenir. Of course, the material is soft leather with cowhide leather trims. I love that it would come, of course, with the soft leather pouch as well. It would come with detachable straps and cowhide leather trims. Next on the collection, so we have Keepall size 45. So this is a new collection, guys. So this one would be launching June 26, 2025. All those still part of the men's fall 2025 collection. So the Keepall 45, this is priced at 2,150 euro. So the material of this one is monogrammic glimpse canvas, and we're going to see the cowhide leather trims that it comes with is already on a different color. It's just like the another collection from the women's collection where it comes in the classic monogram canvas, but the leather trims comes in different colors. So this one now is the men's version, just like this DOP kit. Price is 890 euro. We have SKU here, monogram canvas eclipse, of course, with cowhide leather trims. It would come in the orange colorway of the leather trims as well, as we could see, and the price is 890 euro. We have SKU here. So this is the interior, fabric interior, if I'm not mistaken. It would come, of course, with silver hardware, and it would be launching June 26, 2025. And last but not the least, we have, of course, Keepall 50. Price of this one is 2,200 euro. We have SKU here from the main collection. So hopefully, maybe while they're saying main collection, this would be part of the permanent collection. But then, guys, I could be wrong on this one. So if you see this right away, then definitely order it from your CA ASAP. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So among the bags that I have presented for today, which ones are your favorite? Kindly comment down below. And if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Premierify2 for daily updates and silent tips coming from me. A billion thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!